In front of me is ZTE Blade V50, and today I would like to show you how you can delete a password saved in Google Passwords Autofill. Start by opening Settings and scrolling all the way down to access passwords and accounts. Following that, select this gear next to Google under Autofill Service and tap on Google Password Manager. Now tap on one of your passwords that you wish to delete and enter your current login method. Lastly, tap on Delete button and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!